Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Cinemachine in your 2D games to make a simple follow camera that looks pretty nice. So if you guys enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe, but let's get right into it. Okay, so once you've loaded up into your scene, the first thing you want to do is you want to go Window, we want to look for Package Manager, and it'll say there are no packages because you want to go Packages, Unity Registry, and it'll load for a minute. And then once it's loaded, you're going to look for Cinemachine. So it's going in alphabetical order. So you just go down, there's A, B, C, and here's Cinemachine. So we're going to click on this, and we're going to click install. Well, it might be download for you, and just click that and go through all the steps. And then once that's done, click install. And now you just got to wait for it to install. And now once it's installed, you can close this. And we now have Cinemachine. You should see at the top of the top here, we now have Cinemachine. So we're going to click this, and we're going to go down to create 2D camera. And in this, we can change a ton of settings to make it do stuff. But what we care about is the follow. So you can drag your player into this, and it will follow it pretty well on its own. So I'm just going to make a simple player script just to demonstrate it. But I'm going to cut that out of the video. Okay, so now with my player script, once you have your player script in and you have your camera all set up, what we want to do is we want to get the circle or your player and drag it into follow, and it will automatically select the transform. And now when we play, we can see, well, you can't really tell it right now, so I'm just going to add a few things so you can see. When we move around, you get a really nice camera turn, follow, and you can see it's working pretty well. And one last thing, if you go here, I have maximize on play on, I'm just going to turn this off. If we select our Cinemachine VCam 1, you can see we get this outline on our game, and if we play, you can see how everything is working. And with these, you can drag these lines around, move it, and it will basically change how everything works. So you can change everything to make it fit the way you want. But what I usually use is changing these. You can change how closely the camera follows it. So if you do this, make it really tiny, he will never get outside there, so it follows it very closely. But maybe you want to have it kind of very far out. You can see it doesn't follow it as much. And yeah, so that's going to be it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a short one, but I'll see you in the next one.